The FlipPal Toolbox software is located on the SD card. There is no CD required. It is compatible with Mac and Windows. The Easy Stitch software is very powerful. It allows you to take multiple scans and reassemble them into a larger original, much like a jigsaw puzzle. In this case, I've taken these 4 scans and it's going to reassemble them back into the 8x10. Voila! And there is the stitched original. Another feature is our edit capability. We will take this picture and rotate it 90 degrees to the right. I'm going to rename it since I like to keep the originals intact. Now that we've rotated it, we'll want to crop it. So we just drag those handles like that, and then save that file. The third feature of the edit menu is to be able to correct the color. In this case, we'll take that picture, which has a lot of yellow discoloration because it's old and maybe behind a piece of plastic, and we'll remove that yellow color cast. And again, I'd like to keep the original intact, so I'll give that a different name. The Record tab allows you to create story scans talking pictures. So I'll take this picture here and record the audio to go along with it. This is a picture of my Aunt Eleanor and my mom for Eleanor's birthday. And all I do then is it'll save that as an MP4 file. The Share menu allows you to upload your scans to services in the cloud, such as Facebook and Picasa, Dropbox, Evernote, and Repixel photo editing services. The Files tab allows you to do some simple file operations like copying scans and examining all of the files that are in your FlipPal folder. The Community tab connects you with our partners, people who will help you round out your solution with other services, also give you a link to some of the how-to videos on the web and other convenient resources, such as FlipPal on Facebook and the visit to the website. The Help menu gives you access to our customer support line, email, hours, and also some documentation that you can print as a PDF file for your use, particularly the user's guide. It also checks to make sure that you're running the current version of the software. The FlipPal Toolbox software is not only very powerful, but it's also easy to use.